Okay, this is the old Aerocycle that I built about 17, 18 years ago. There's the rocket pack on the back. It's actually just quarters with a little string. And I just got it down from the ceiling. It was hanging up there for the last 17 years. And just wanted to get rid of it, so I put it on Facebook Marketplace, and somebody bought it. So I'm cleaning it up, and the wings are actual aircraft fabric that I had left over from the real airplane. But look at the rags. Look at the dirt that came off of here. And here's what it looks like. I mean, it's really on there. But anyway, still it's in good shape. It's in really good shape. I'm amazed. I think the tires are even holding air, which is pretty phenomenal. And the wood underneath is in really good shape. I have a varnish on it, aircraft. Well, not aircraft, but some pretty nice varnish on it. Of course, there's the collision avoidance system. Doesn't work anymore. This thing is so hard. The rubber on this is so hard. Won't even squeeze. But anyways, that was a fun little project. I get this wing. This wing is partially cleaned, and then from here over you can see it's 17 years of dust. But pretty cool, really, to get it down, and it's found a new home, and it'll be hanging from the ceiling in a shop that ironically sells and services bicycles. So that's it from here. Thanks for watching. I hope all you don't forget to hit that click the subscribe button if you want to be tortured by watching my agonizing videos, and hit the notification bell. Isn't it like obligatory? Aren't you supposed to have to say that don't forget to smash the thumbs up button. Oh my gosh, how many times have we heard that? Look, a penny. What do you know? It says, you know what it says on every dollar bill and coin? In God we trust. And you know what? That's how my wife and I feel.